हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हाजी, इस पे इतने खुश क्यों है भाई, तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई।
One of my most fond and cherished childhood memories is when I visited Mumbai for 2 to 3 weeks after the 10th standard exams, holidays, and had an amazing time with you. Those were fun days. You were taken me to Chapati Beach, Marine Drive, Rhythm House, Museum, Fantasyland. I really cherished those days with you, the fun times I had. I hope to repeat it someday again with you. Some of the things that I really admire about is that you've got a great heart. You've a heart of gold. Sometimes you give out a smile come blush combo, which is really innocent and it comes from within. I so admire that about you. I wish you very best, and may you have all the happiness and love and well-being that the divine blesses you with for the rest of your life. Um, it's really, I'm really grateful that I have a such a wonderful and fantastic brother like you have. Love you.
A small dedication to you, Bunty. लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर, हम मगर देखो दो नहीं। खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है, खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है, सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हाजी, इस पे इतने खुश क्यों है भाई, तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई। तो ही जाना सनम हो रहा है। Forget that.
Bunty, wish you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Happy birthday बंटी, have a great day. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए,
तुम जियो
हजारों साल, ये हमारी ख्वाहिश है। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बंटी, हैव अ वेरी ग्रेट डे।
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bunty. Sending you lot of smiles for each and every moment of your special day. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful year ahead. Keep smiling, stay healthy, stay happy, keep rocking, and most importantly, stay blessed. Love you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bunty. Happy birthday to you. Dear Bunty, June 22 is here again. Time to celebrate you, your special day, and all the memories we shared through the years. Here's wishing you lots of love, good health, and happiness today and every day. Have fun, live it up, keep rocking. Happy birthday once again.
बंटी ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ମେକଅପ୍ କରୁଛି ତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆସୁଛି ଟିକେ ମୁହଁଟା ଧୋଇକି ଓକେ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତୋତେ ୱିଶ୍ କରିବି ହ୍ୟାପି ବର୍ଥଡେ ଟୁ ୟୁ ହ୍ୟାପି ବର୍ଥଡେ ଟୁ ୟୁ ହ୍ୟାପି ବର୍ଥଡେ ଡିଅର୍ ବଣ୍ଟି ହ୍ୟାପି ବର୍ଥଡେ ଟୁ ୟୁ You are born in the zoo. You are born in the zoo. like monkeys and donkeys and a big fat kangaroo like you. बंटी बापा बुढ़ाटे होता है आज जन्मदिन में बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा भगवान तोर मंगल करंतु आमे जो ज्ञान गुड़ा दौचु टे शुणुबू है तोरी भल कहूँ है आउ सब बेले हसुबू जमी तो हृदयटा बहुत सफा सेमती रही ओके गुड
Hi Buns, welcome to the 40s Club. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Again, I've got such fond memories of growing up with you. I remember when we were about 4 or 5 years old, I used to go over to your house and we used to rip and tear up pages and pages of books and make paper planes for hours together and keep flying them. So now there's this song called Paper Planes about a few years ago that came out in Slumdog Millionaire, and that song always reminds me of us playing in your terrace. Again, like you were such a protective brother. I remember when Chintu had started school in St. Joseph's, you used to always come and check on him. Always share your lunch with him. So like those memories are just imprinted and in our childhood. So I have like such amazing memories of growing up with you. Again, it's now that we're all grown up, we've been a little world apart, but hoping we can still meet up and have and relive the same times and good times that we had growing up as kids. Also, I just remember back at Sibunani's house in 2002, we were just going crazy. It was you, me, Pintu, and of course Mama Nani, Sibunani, and Pinky Nani. We had such a blast over there, and again, I cannot wait to redo all those things, fun things with you guys. So again, just wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Wishing you tons of best wishes. I'm hoping all your dreams come true. Again, hope to meet up soon and hang out just like old times. Again, happy birthday and love you Buns. Take care. Bye.
Dear Bunty, wish you a very happy birthday. It's a very special day for all of us, bringing back all the fun memories we shared with you. You are an adorable little brother with a big heart. Much love to you. Stay calm, don't take too much stress. Pour your heart out whenever you wish to. We will always be there with you. Hope this brings a smile on your face.
मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज तुम्हारी टीचर सर फटे आज पिजामा पकड़ के बैठे
Happy birthday once again, Bunty. Namu.
Hi Bunty, can't believe you're going to be 40 years old. But I should start at, I don't know where to start, Bunty. Your first dance was with me. The first girl's clothes you wear with mine. What can I say? Anyway, should we talk about your blue potty or we shall not talk about your blue potty? I think we should continue laughing like we are doing on both sides of the screen. Sorry, Mama, that I have taken over your face in between. But I just wanted a picture of Bunty and my laughing together. Nowadays, Bunty feels that I'm only giving him lectures the whole day. But I just wish the best for my baby brother. For me, he's been the little baby. I mean, he was so cute when he came to Koraput. One tiny little thing, always smiling, and his smile was the cutest. Of course, it smiled the most when it came across its blue potty. Bunty more when we meet, but wishing you all the best for the next, I don't know, how many years? Another 60 years to a decade. Wishing that you don't remain this cranky old man you are. You become really, really cranky. I think you should be happy, laughing, go back to restarting all over again. What do you say? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Phantom. See, who's at the back, that's Mama. I thought we should just smile today and have lovely photographs of you and me together all around me. Of course, your first dance was with me. You're wearing girls' clothes. Don't do it again. Was mine. Anyway, I want you to stop being cranky and just coming back to the person that you were, the amazing, loving Bantam. For now, the next decade. Are you going to live for 140? Anyway, Bunty, love you lot. Catch up soon.
Good morning, Bunty. I want to really wish you a very, very happy birthday. The reason I thought I would dress up, and so I'm hoping that I can bond with you with a serious message. And so I thought I'll dress up properly. I remember you coming to our house as a little kid back in Koraput, like Simu said. Very cute and little cuddly baby holding a blue potty, and I have had a long relationship with you since then. Becoming like almost you're my chela, certified chela. Everybody knows that. And we had such lovely times in Bombay when I used to stay with you all. You've shown me so many places, and we had such fun times. And we shared similar music tastes. We've shared music, etc. So I think. And I can't believe that you become 40, but again, seeing this Lizzie, Rosie, etc., they've all grown up as well.
So I think we can be grown up, but we can still be children in our heart. And I really want to wish you the very best for the next 40 years. 40 years, let's say. You don't want to live becoming too old. So next 40 years, not 100 years, 200 years. Yeah. But a very serious message for a serious man. But then I thought you might say
Serious? Okay, now serious.
Okay, sorry.
So that was just, this is called COVID clothing. So you don't need to see the bottom. But then Bunty might say, knowing Bunty, he'll say, so what? So Bunty, I know you become sensitive. I know you become all that. But still, bear with me, please. You know me. And please bear with me, okay? And I promise, after your 40s, I will not talk about your potty. I will not talk about anything. But for now, just bear with me. भाई और बहनों, आज मैं डेडिकेट करने वाला हूँ ये गाना फॉर बंटी डियर जो छोटा से इतना बड़ा हो गया from 40 to 40.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. आओ सिखाओ तुम्हें 40 का फंडा. ये नहीं कोई मामूली सा बंदा. इसमें छुपा है बहुतों का प्यार. Bunty, you're not a मामूली बंदा. Wish you a wonderful 40th birthday. So I tried my best, and with these little things, I promise this won't come again in life.
Happy birthday.
So, and this also won't come again in life. So enjoy this, Bunty. Thank you, Bunty. Love you lots.
बंटी भाव ज्यादा भाव नहीं खाने का, ठीक है ना. अपना छोटा भाई है तो इधर मुस्कुराने का इधर भाई बहन है अपन लोग, समझा क्या. इधर इतना भाव नहीं खाने का. बर्थडे अच्छे से मनाने का, मुस्कुराने का, ऐसा समझा. अब मनाने का, किसी के बात का बुरा नहीं मानने का, ये प्रॉमिस डाल. बुबुन भाई ना अपना भाई है. अरे मजाक करता है, तेरा बहुत प्यार करता है, ऐसा डांस करता है तेरे लिए. कितना मेहनत किया मालूम तेरे को. ये पहन के, ये समूचे रख के, सब पता नहीं क्या क्या मनाने का उधर, और तू उसको बुरा मानता है. अरे तेरे लिए किया जा रहा है भाई. अब मुस्कुरा दे मेरा भाई. हैप्पी बर्थडे. मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डेज.
Hello Bunty, wish you a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Love you. Have a great day Bunty. Take care.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's a great day. That's what we say. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.